The United States has an immense history full of war and controversy, with many people who helped build America into the country that we know today. Benjamin Franklin was one of those people. He was an inventing and a founding father of our country. From his humble beginnings as a printer to being an important part of the American Revolution, Benjamin Franklin had a huge impact on how the United States functions today.
Benjamin Franklin grew up on Milk Street in Boston. He was among 11 living siblings. He said it was a crazy, noisy, and happy home. He had a mother, Abiah Franklin, and a father, Josiah Franklin. His mom raised the children, and his father made the money by making candles and soap. When he was 8, his father sent him to South Grammar School to prepare for life as a minister. He was soon taken out because his family realized that they could not afford it. But then he was back in school at George Brownell's English School. He graduated 1 year after in 1716. After that, he never went to school again. He would have liked to, but his family could not afford tuition. He also loved to read and write poetry.
Benjamin Franklin has invented a lot of useful things in his lifetime, and many of which are still used today. Some of these inventions include the penny, Franklin stove, swimming fins, bifocals, and the lightning rod. Now, the penny is a currency worth 1 cent, and although it isn't used much, it is still used today. Another one of Franklin's inventions include the Franklin stove. This invention is used as a fireplace to burn wood, and although many people still use Franklin stoves, nowadays the design has improved. Now, believe it or not, Benjamin Franklin has also invented swimming fins. These are used to help swimmers move through the water faster. Now, bifocals were another invention of Benjamin Franklin. Now, these are used by people who have trouble seeing far and near. They feature 2 lenses, one for seeing up close, most likely reading, and one for seeing far. The lightning rod is used to conduct lightning towards it and absorb it. Now, let's talk about some scientific discoveries of Benjamin Franklin.
Some of Franklin's discoveries have led to things we have done today, such as lights. Franklin discovered positive and negative electric charges. From his discoveries of electric charges, he invented a lightning rod from the kite in the storm experiment. From that, he also discovered that electricity existed in storm clouds in the form of lightning. He discovered that the common cold was passed from person to person through indoor air, and he suggested the concept of daylight savings time.
Benjamin Franklin died on April 17, 1790 at the age of 82. 20,000 people attended his funeral. People called him the harmonious human multitude. Benjamin Franklin was a very important man. He invented a lot of things we use today. He was a delegate of the Constitutional Convention, a founding father, and he helped write the Declaration of Independence. Benjamin Franklin also invented the lightning rod by using a kite and a key. Without Benjamin Franklin, we wouldn't have a lot of things we would have today.
You good?
Alright, I just want to take a second to say something serious.
School, clean your dusty floors!
You have to do it on the sides.
Disclaimer, no chairs were harmed in the making of this video.
2, action.
Some of Franklin's discoveries have led to things that we have done.
That moment you realize you screwed up. Badly.
You're holding him down.
Alright guys, so we got a team over here.